Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to use Squarespace for photography. So all you have to do is go to any web browser, type Squarespace, and this is what it looks like. If you don't have an account yet, then click Get Started. If you have an account, then click Login. All you have to do is prepare your Google account, email address, and password, and this is what it looks like. So to start with Squarespace, they will ask you some questions like what's your site about. This helps us guide your experience, so you have to look for something like photography because we will be making or creating a website for photography. So tap photography right here, and then after that, once you click next, continue, then they will ask you what you want to do with your website. So you have tons of options right here like sell on demand, publish, promote an event, get appointments, and so on. So basically everything is up to you if you want to sell, if you want to promote your product. So once you tap this sell products right here, you can tap next and you can create, browse, template, or build with AI. So you have two options right here on how to create your template. So for a beginner, I strongly suggest to browse template first because there are tons of templates for free here on Squarespace, and all you have to do is to edit. So let me tap this browse templates, and then for best template matches with photography and online store, so these are the suggested templates, but actually you can just simply delete online store right here and just focus on photography template. Okay, I'm going to delete online store right here because I want to look for more templates just about photography. So if I'm going to delete online store, then I can see here 26 photography templates that I can use and I can edit for my portfolio, for my website, or for my business. So I'm going to click at least one and I'm going to show you how to edit. Actually, the good thing about Squarespace is its user-friendly interface. Okay, so you can start with a design right here and choose the color that you want. But actually, you can do this one later too. So basically, this is what it looks like. It's a preview of your template. You can also tap this mobile view right here or desktop view so that at least you have the knowledge and the insight of what it looks like if someone uses their mobile or their desktop. So now I'm going to create an account first because I haven't created one. So if you don't have an account yet, you can create your account using your Google account, Apple, Facebook, continue with email. So I'm going to choose continue with Google because it's the easiest. Now you can start selling on Squarespace. First is, of course, they're going to ask for a site name. So I'm going to pick Jandy Time. You can create your site name if you want for your photography website. For me, I want to choose Jandy Time. Click continue. Now you can see more information about Squarespace. So physical products and services, access to content, branded email campaigns, integrated social tools, advanced SEO tools. Just click continue. It can also help you manage your business, branded invoices, and so on. So once you're okay with this, then what you're going to do is click get started. Okay, so this is your Squarespace template for photography, and this is your header. This is your header right here. Basically, you can just now start editing your template for your website. So on the left side, if you want to add or set up options for donation invoicing, just click any of the option below, but let's just focus on how to edit your template. Click this edit button above and you can now start editing your template. So let's start with the header. Okay, so this is what it looks like. If you want to add or delete something here, just click this pencil icon. So for example, this one. If you want to edit the arrangement, change the position, just drag this one down below here. If you want to change or if you want to add about first or contact first, then you can just simply drag the position of any of this option right here. So don't forget to tap save to save the changes. Now, if you want to edit again, just click the header, tap this pencil icon, and then edit anything here. Same thing with your site name. You can edit that one later if you want. Okay, so once you're done with that, then we can go to this part right here. If you want to delete unnecessary icon or option, you can just simply delete if you don't want login. If you want to add social media links, Just click the social media icon. You will see pencil icon here, and you can add social links like your Facebook, your YouTube channel. All you have to do is to copy and then paste your URL right here. So when your client or customer click that social media icon, it will take them directly to your social media accounts, such as your Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. Okay, so basically that's it. You can also change display icon if you want. Okay, so everything is up to you. You can toggle this one off or on. Okay, so that's how you basically edit your header. Sometimes, of course, the features and options depends on the template. So you have to look for the template that matches to your website or a template that has good features and options. So you can also edit the design. If you want to change the border style, okay, thickness, you can increase that one. Okay, so that's how easy it is to edit your header. So once you're done with your social link, and like what I've mentioned earlier, if you want to change your site name or add your logo, just click this pencil icon. You can change your site name and you can also add a logo right here. You can upload a file from your computer or you can select from there a library. And if you scroll down here, you can also add an image. So all you have to do is to click this plus icon and then upload that file. So basically what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use Canva for a stunning logo, and also you can create here an image background if you want. So what you're going to do is create an account here in Canva, and then you can search for that specific dimension or size and then create your logo, and also you can create your background image right here. Okay, so for this time I'm going to show you how to create a logo. So this is what it looks like. Once done, you can now tap share and then download. So the good thing about this Canva is its user-friendly interface. Okay, so I will go back to my Squarespace and I'm going to add this logo. To add, you just have to click the plus icon and then upload a file, import the picture that you have created from your Canva. For the next section here, if you want to edit design, just click edit design and you can change the layout. Okay, you can change the logo if you want, the color. So you have options right here, the background color, navigation color, opacity. If you want to blur the background, everything is up to you. Okay, so like what I've mentioned earlier, the features and option depends on the template that you choose. To upload and import your pictures right here, your product, you just have to click edit gallery and then import the pictures of your products right here. To add a section, for example, a contact form so that your customer can reach you or of course can ask some questions about your products or about your service, you can add a section for contact information or contact form. So this is what it looks like, and actually you can change this one if you want to. So I'm going to move this right here, and this is an example of your new section, which is a contact form. You can add more if you want by tapping add section, and if you want to add blocks like images, background, pictures, videos, and so on, you can look for add block and you can add a block right here. So basically this is what it looks like. Now again, if you want to add a section again, then basically just add. You can add about, you can add FAQs, and a lot more. Okay, so basically that's it. For example, if you want to showcase your best product right here, you can add this one, make it stand out. And you can add a block right here like image, video, text, and so on. Okay, so basically that's it. It's just so easy. You just have to simply look for the edit option. You can edit your template right here. You can add images, videos, change the background, change the color, change the text, and you can also add your logo if you want. You can select from their gallery or create your own using Canva, but that's optional. So basically that's it, and after that, don't forget to save your design or publish your website. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.